We got a lot of much needed rain on Saturday, and we're getting some more of that today.
We've already had a nice little dose, 2/10 of an inch of rain, a little downpour here at the studio just before 7 o'clock this morning, and we'll see maybe some more of this. Watch this time lapse. This was kind of a pleasant little change of pace for us. We started with a little pop-up shower that rolled right through Rochester. It developed and moved through the Med City all in the course of an hour before it began to fizzle out. But we had a nice little beneficial solid shot of rain before it cleared right back off into blue sky and some warm sunshine this morning. That's from our Lewiston Auto camera here at the studio. Again, 2/10 of an inch of rain here at KTTC. A little bit less than that at the airport, though, but look for the possibility of more headed our way for the rest of today and again tomorrow. These will be the two wettest, most unsettled days of the week. Some filtered sun, otherwise a lot of cloud cover. Kind of a bright sky, though, still looking into the east in Austin. That's our Lewiston Auto camera. Showers not too far from Austin beginning to develop along this line, developing along Interstate 90, stretching now up toward Rolling Stone and up toward even the Wisconsin side of the border as that activity marches eastward through St. Charles, Chatfield, and down toward Dexter. So some spotty showers and perhaps even a rumble of thunder. Here's a live look outside from our studio with our Lewiston Auto camera. 78 right now, dew point 66. Winds very light. They'll remain light for the rest of today and really for the next couple of days, actually. 79 at the airport in Rochester. It's 81 Dodge Center. Mason City now at 80 degrees and Winona now at 82. So very warm day already. Typical high this time of the year right around 80. We're just about there at this hour, but the clouds and showers may put a lid on those temperatures, kind of level things off here for a bit. Southwest wind at the airport 10 miles per hour. It feels like 81. That dew point now at 67. An assertive amount of humidity to be sure, with not much of a breeze to mix that out. So it definitely does feel a little sticky out there today. Showers and thunderstorms today and tomorrow is slowly drying out throughout the week. But then we get to the weekend, sunny and still seasonably warm, but quiet and actually very pleasant for the holiday weekend. 79 right now in Rochester, Des Moines 78, and to the west, slightly cooler air. There's a cold front on its way that'll shave off a couple degrees as it moves in a couple of days, and we'll see a little less humidity by the middle part of the week. But right now, ahead of that cold front, dew points approaching 70 in Rochester and in Des Moines, 70 right now, the dew point in St. Louis at this point. Again, that's kind of a measure of the mugginess you expect in the atmosphere you feel on a day like today. Showers begin to pop up already in our area. More will march in for the west. Severe weather risk very low, but the rain chance pretty decent for us. Showers, a few thunderstorms today through tonight, and even through a big chunk of tomorrow with that upcoming cold front. Severe weather risk down toward northwest Indiana from Gary down toward Peoria. And then severe weather risk gets a little closer to home, but mainly confined to Wisconsin, central northern Wisconsin. Tomorrow as that front moves through, the dynamics in our area just not that great for organized severe weather, but enough instability for some rumbles of thunder. And the severe weather risk marches way eastward by the time we get to day 3, which would be Wednesday. We'll still have some dry, quiet weather, but no more rain chances by then. High-res future tracks, some isolated showers pop up here and there through the course of the day. More widespread activity this evening through tonight. And then tomorrow, perhaps a lull for, say, the morning before we see the clouds thicken again. Very similar to what we're seeing today. Showers, a few thunderstorms off and on throughout our Tuesday. The most widespread activity today comes up around 5 or 6 this evening until about midnight, and a similar offering for tomorrow. We could use the rain. We have about a quarter of the normal amount of rainfall for this time of the month. We are way below average for this month and for the year, approaching 7 inches below normal. Showers, a few thunderstorms today, some beneficial rain, highs in the low 80s with a solid breeze on the light side around 5 to 10 miles per hour. 60s tonight, and then more low 80s tomorrow with more of those storm chances. Future track watching that front slowly work its way across the map. Scattered showers today, maybe a lull late tonight as that front positions itself directly overhead, and then the more scattered thunderstorms along and even behind that front. The strongest activity regionally north and east of us. High pressure then comes in and slightly drops that humidity content heading in the middle part of the week with isolated storms Thursday into Friday. Nothing too widespread or heavy in those rounds of rain. The weekend itself looks generally dry with typical July warmth. Temperatures in low and mid 80s for the weekend and into next week as well. And temperatures typically this time of the year will be right around 80 for the early part of July. Light winds today, some showers, a few thunderstorms, occasional sun, a high of 81. Scattered storms possible tonight, 66 overnight with light winds. And tomorrow, a similar situation, limited sunshine, a couple of scattered storms, 80 for your Tuesday. 7-day forecast, low 80s for the most part for the next several days, and the holiday weekend looks pretty good. Some sun and some 80s, Jess.
We could pick up a little more rain before the weekend.
Perfect situation. You get the rain you want and the weekend weather you're hoping for.
Thank you, Ted.